Good morning. I have done some work with my overhead and I want to show you what I've done. I built a box of aluminium and everything is inside this box, so I can it is the pictures maybe speak for themselves, but here I put I don't know what the name is in English, but see what it is, and also this, and I will open this there, and I can open it. And here we have it. It all fits in the box. I will show you some close-ups. Here we have the sys board. We can start from the beginning. Everything comes from here. This is the power supply into a connection box, a USB hub for the different electronic boards, PCB boards. I have some connections. This is D sub 9 pole. It goes to the MIP, the annunciators on the MIP and the indicators on the MIP, and they go all the way here, all the way here, and to the sys board. What cards do I have? I have a sys card. There it is. I have a Opencockpits card. This is used for inputs, encoders, and switches and stuff like that. It's the main Opencockpit card, and here is the card for the 7-segment displays. So it's for the AC/DC panel and the pressurization panel. Here we have a Pokeys relay board that is connected to the Pokey card. And all these cards, 3, go into the D-Link USB hub. So it is a self-sustaining overhead. It's covered. It's a box that I can bring with me. And how have I connected all the switches? Well, with these ribbon cables. So it's color marked, cheap color marked cables that go out over the edge, and we can take, for example, this panel. It shows a lot. Ribbon cable comes here, it goes to the D-sub cable. So all panels have these D-sub connections. So I can easily take away one panel and just unplug the D-subs, just as in reality, but with a lot cheaper materials. Here we have the homemade PCBs for the indicators, and you can see it's also color marked, and the switches. The switches are connected to this part of the sys board. The indicators is connected to this part of the sys board. And here we have the starter switches. I've got some help from Anders from Sweden, who have helped me to do the inner part here. I've done the rest and with a solenoid, but in one of my other videos you can see how they work. It also have a D-sub connection, so I can dismount them really easy and take them with me. What have happened here? I haven't seen this. Anyway, you can see all the ribbon cables is connected here, and also I have done this. This is the AC/DC panel. Here we have the ribbon cable that come from the Opencockpit card, and the switches are of course connected to the SysBoard, and the indicators also connected to the SysBoard, and all the 7-segment display. This is how it looks on the back side, and this is how it looks on the other side. I also have this way on the pressurization panel, and all the knobs. I've tried to use the right kind of knobs, and here we have the back side of that. I've glued and painted the glue so it won't shine when I backlight it. It won't shine through that part, and yeah, that's about it. I have no instrument, as you can see, but I have a self-sustaining overhead that I can take with me. I can sell it as a whole unit or whatever, but I will continue working on this overhead and put the instruments in, and yeah, everything that is left, but it isn't much left. The relay card will also be used as for the battery buses and all other parts that need some relays, and so on. So here we have it. Everything is connected except, I think, 1 or 2 things. I broke this when I moved, so I have to get a new rotary switch, and I have to connect it with a cable. This is also a cable that I have to connect. And you can also see that I have used, it's hard to see, but I've put aluminium on the back of this overhead, so I don't need any screws to mount the panels. They are put in like this, so I can easily take away a panel if I want to. So here you have it. Hope you enjoy the video and learn a few ways to connect the SysBoard and so on. I can also say that I do not have any knowledge about Opencockpits, so please don't ask me any questions about the Opencockpits boards, because everything that has to do with that, Anders have helped me program. A big thanks to him. It wouldn't been possible without him, actually. And also a big thanks to Marty. This hobby of mine hadn't been possible without Marty, and of course Han and Loki too, but big thanks to the whole community for giving me this hobby possibility. Yeah, that's about it, I think.